Hello and welcome to the latest episode of Outlet TV, filmed here in Harbour Town. My name is Rebecca Morse and I'm joined again by our stylist, Jodi Nash. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year to you.
Let's all hope that 2021 is a better one.
Yes, I hope so. We've got some great fashion today, so it's going to be fun.
Yeah, no, I think everyone starts a new year with New Year's resolutions and they might want to change their look up a bit with their hair and their makeup and their style. So that's what we're focusing on for you today, with some new looks for the over 30s and the over 50s. We only just sort of sneak into the over 30s,
we do, yes.
I mean, yeah, 31 person.
Yeah.
Our first model is Kate. Kate is dressed by Seed today. You look beautiful. Now, why is it you're looking for a bit of a refresh in 2021?
Well, I've just spent the last 6 months travelling with my family in a camper van.
Oh, wow.
So pretty keen to get out of my shorts and thongs and get a fresh look ready to enter the workplace.
Gorgeous. So yeah, we've dressed Kate in her high-waisted pants, which she never does. So I just wanted to show her a different look. And this is a kind of cool way to wear a white pant. I think people are scared of white pant, but if you pick a modern style and cut, I think it modernises it and actually look younger. So a rolled cuff is really great, a wedge. This is something she could wear running around with the kids on the weekend. Just a little basket. The shoes are $20. This is a $20 bag. So the whole look's really inexpensive and you're saving 50% on these pants at the moment from Seed. So you're looking gorgeous.
I love those pants. You just can't drink red wine or eat beetroot.
No.
Stay away from the kids.
Absolutely, no little fingers. And what about the makeup look? Your makeup looks beautiful.
So we've just done a really quick mum makeup, which is just a natural base mascara, but we've used a L'Oreal lip colour as the blush and also as the lip colour. This is like a matte lipstick. So you just pop it on the lips, pop it on your cheeks, and adding a bit of colour to a lighter white look just adds a bit of a pop and freshens you up. And the hair, the guys at Salon Superstore have just used this amazing muck stick. This has got all different barrel sizes. So if you're a mum on the go, you literally just grab your hair and wrap it around and put some product in, and it just looks really nice and beachy. It just looks like you've made a bit of an effort and looking gorgeous.
The girls at Salon Superstore are great. They've done my hair today as well. They're really, really good, really friendly, and that does look really natural and beachy, yeah.
Gorgeous. Thanks, Kate.
Thank you, Kate. And our next look is for the over 50s, and we'd like to welcome the beautiful Gill, who works here at Harbour Town. Come on in, Gill. Oh, you look beautiful, Gill.
Gorgeous.
And why were you looking for a bit of a new look for this year?
Well, I'm guilty of buying the same kind of clothes all the time, and I just thought it's time just to freshen up, try something different, you know, something that I wouldn't normally buy, and yeah, I'm thrilled.
Gorgeous.
So this look is from Portmans?
Yeah. So Jill's over 50, so I just wanted to show the ladies that try and steer away from black as you age, because it can actually draw out your skin tone and hair colour. So that's why I put white and light colours near her face just to reflect the light. These pants, would you believe, are down to $13.97 from Portmans.
It. Get one in every colour.
So they were $99.95 and they're a terracotta colour. So if you're going to wear a wide leg pant, make sure you're tucking in to show a waist. So I've done like one colour at the top, one down the bottom, just to create a long leg line, and you've got a heel. So a wide leg, you're going to need a heel because it's going to touch the floor, so that gives you a longer leg. And just wanted to show Jill, when you're over 50, you can still do trends. So do like a studded bag just to update your look. So if you've got your classics, update with a modern bag or a modern shoe or some modern sunglasses, and you can look younger and fresher.
And Jill, we need to talk about that amazing hair that you have, a natural curl.
Yes, with a bit of help from Salon Superstore.
Oh, well done. Cool. I think that was my line.
But yeah, Jill's hair is naturally curly. So just the ladies with naturally curly hair, make sure you use a moisturising treatment, because natural curls can get very dry. So pop that on wet hair. And I've just used the curl stick again. So just to give the curls more definition, wrap them around the hot stick and you'll get like a nice defined curl and more body, so that they're not dragged down. So I think that's a gorgeous natural look, and you look really fresh.
The makeup's beautiful as well.
Yeah, and with the makeup, we've got a trick for the over 50s. We've got a concealer pencil. This is from Cosmetic Fragrance Direct. It's actually worn inside the eye line, and what that does is actually opens up your eye and makes your eye look bigger. So if you're feeling tired or run down, this is a great trick just to help open it up. Really simple and really easy.
You look beautiful, Jill.
Great, thanks, Jill.
So So now we're returning to Kate, who has been travelling around Australia with her family for 6 months, now needs to go back into an office space. So we're looking for some workwear looks, and this look is from Portmans.
So yeah, Kate's got a Portmans look. So because she's got amazing legs, amazing tan, we've just done like a shorter skirt. But when you're looking for your corporate stuff, just pick a length that suits your body type. Skirt length should either be just above the knee, just below the knee, or just at the ankle. You don't want a skirt that ends here, because what that does is actually makes you look wider. So the lengths are really important. Just tucked in a little striped shirt, which is really comfortable, easy to wear, and of course a blazer. And these super comfortable shoes from Novo. They're like padded, which is a new trend, and they feel like slippers, don't they? Yeah,
Very comfy.
very comfortable. So yeah, you're looking gorgeous.
Yeah, I love those shoes. And the bag?
And the bag is from Strand Bags. It was $49.99, now $35. And this skirt is $41.97 and it was $59.95. So this whole looks quite inexpensive and looking great. Portmans have an extra 30% off the whole store this week, so get in there and have a look.
You look great. Thank you, Kate.
Thanks, Kate.
And now we have Jill back. Jill is our over 50 model, and we want to talk about how you can look on trend but still age appropriate. So this is a pretty hot look from Jill.
Wow, Jill, you look so good. Looking gorgeous. So Jill's got a look from Q. So I just wanted to show the ladies, if you've got a beautiful blazer and a white top or cami, if you wanted to incorporate a trend, we've done a leather pant, which is probably something you would never ever pick. The style is tailored, it's classic. These pants were $675. They're down to $337.50, so they're half price. If you're going to invest in a trend, that's a great way to do it. Just to pick up the pink in the bag, a little fun snake print shoe, and update your glasses and accessories actually makes you look more modern and sophisticated. So if you can't afford to do this all the time, invest in every year Sunnies, bags and shoes, and that updates all your looks, all your classics. And this colour is fantastic on you as well, this pale pink.
Now those sunnies are a really good bargain as well, aren't they, Joes?
Yeah, Q's got a whole heap of these sunnies. They were $185, now they're down to $55.50. So you're saving $129 on the sunglasses, all different shapes and styles. So great time to update.
I love that look. I love that colour, and a really nice wide lapel as well. This is beautiful.
Gorgeous. Thanks,
Beautiful.
Jill.
Thanks, Jill. And now we welcome Kate back, and Kate's got a bit of a nighttime look and how to style a little black dress. Oh la la!
Gorgeous.
Stop it!
Where's your husband to see this? Looks gorgeous. So Kate's wearing a dress from MCL. This dress was $80. It's down to $45.99. So cheap. A leather jacket from Seed. Now's the time to buy your jackets at Harbour Town. If you want to invest in leather, they're all coming through. They're discounted. This one you're saving $130 on. We've got the $5 Decjuba earrings from last episode. They're back. There's these more styles. So if you're looking for accessories, kind of gone with a bit of a 90s inspired theme, a bit Versace, a bit Gucci, a bit. So if you're going to do your little black dress, modernise it with the trends that are current. So it doesn't matter how old you are, you can still look youthful if you're just dressing down the dress with a bit of a leather jacket, a bucket bag and some heels.
And you're not that old.
No, you're not. So you're looking gorgeous.
I have a little bucket bag. That's a real big trend at the moment.
Gorgeous.
You look beautiful, Kate. I feel like you need to go dancing. Find a place to dance in the middle of the day.
Great. Well,
Thank you, Kate. So we hope you enjoyed that quick style tip episode. I am dressed today by Witchery here at Harbour Town.
Great. And I'm dressed up by Decjuba.
And next up, we're going to have some style tips for young families. So stay tuned for the next episode of Outlet TV. Thanks for watching. All prices in today's episode are correct at time of filming. For updates on anything you've seen in today's episode, please head to our website.